Hi, my name is Daryl Cobaltera from Audi Winnipeg. Today I'll be showing you how to change key batteries on 4 generations of different keys. First off, we'll start with this key that came from Audi models 2008 and up to some 2017 models. So first off, you're going to press the button in the back on the silver part. Here will pop out a key. Now you'll flip the fob around, press the black tab on the other side, give it a big tug. Here the battery will pop out, and then here you'll just replace the battery with a coin-like battery, a CR2032, and then when you put it back, just make sure you put it back the same way they took it out, and then reassemble the key, put the key back into the fob, and good from there. Next up, we'll do this key that came from Audi models from 2017 to current. So first thing you need to do is click the tabs, the black tabs on the side of the key. Key will pop out. We'll click those black tabs again, and a tray will come out with the battery. Here you'll replace the battery with a coin-like 2032. Put the battery back in, push it back into the fob, and then put the key back into the fob, and you're done. Next up, we have this key, the switchblade type, that came on many Audi models, including some current ones. So first off, we'll flip the key around. We'll take our plastic prying tool, and you can also use a flat head or a butter knife, but you might scratch the back of the key. So once you take your prying tool, pry it from the bottom end, and on the sides to take the back panel off. Next, you'll access the battery from there, and you'll take your little prying tool. There'll be a little groove on there to take the battery out, so just pry in there. Battery pops out. Now we'll replace the coin-like CR2032 battery. When you do replace it, make sure you put it back in the same way you got it out, and then we'll assemble the key. So make sure you put the back cover back in and press down firmly on all corners, and you're done. Next up, we have our latest key that came from some models from 2019 and up. First off, you're gonna push the silver tab on the back to release the key. So you're gonna use the key to push the little tab inside there to pry the back cover up. So you're gonna push and then lift until the back cover comes out, and you're gonna take the back cover off. Here you could access the battery, and then now you could actually take this battery out and replace it with a coin-like CR2032 battery. And then now you're gonna put the battery back in the same way they took it out. Put the back cover back on. Make sure you push on it firmly till it clicks, and then put the key back into the fob, and you're done. Hope you found this tutorial useful. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and our social media at Audi Winnipeg. Thank you. See you soon.